What's up, guys? Ghost Explorations out here today. We're exploring an abandoned office and distribution center today. As you can see, they just left everything behind. They were out of this place. So when I was first here in 2019, it didn't look like this. It looks like people just came in here and just totally wrecked the place. They knocked over all the filing cabinets of all the documents. It just really just destroyed the building. But I will tell you, if I can find some photos when I was first here, it was untouched. So, it's definitely a far cry from what it was the last time I was here. We literally used like old how-to things for like photos or for documents and whatnot. Old billing sheets. All of these old files from, like I said, everything was up against the wall when I was first here. It definitely did not look like this. It just looked like the old charts and stuff. The cash products and, ATM activity for employees, PA sales, and user tax from 99. So, I don't know what that was. There was just a loud bang this direction. Couldn't tell you what that was, so we're gonna go this way so that we are not going to what that noise was. Yeah, but it looked like this would have all been glass through here. Just old computers, old desktops. I'm guessing there's a safe back there, probably. So, we're gonna keep doing the office. It's basically what I want the most, was the office. Like left it there, like an old meeting room. I couldn't even imagine, guys, I'm gonna work one day and them just being like, okay, cease operations, you're done, go home. This is your last paycheck forever. Yeah. They really just destroyed this place. Wow. That's crazy. You can tell like the floor is like ice. The carpet in these places is not all the way down to the ground, basically. So, because of that, like the floor becomes really icy because there's only like a couple inches, couple centimeters even of just carpet. Wow. Look that direction. Look how crazy this is. Payroll information. Jeez. Somebody's old office just destroyed. Just look at that. All the CDs just frozen to the ground. Holy heck. That's something you don't see every day. Wow. All the cubicles just destroyed. Wow. Jeez. Just look, everything is frozen to the floor. There's a thick coating of ice trapping literally everything to the floor in here. That's something you don't see every day. to be really careful where I'm walking because I don't want to slip and fall, basically. Yeah, this is insane. Look at all the old keyboards, all the file stuff, the CDs. Look over the CDs frozen to the floor. Yep, still up here. I'm hearing some weird noises. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's somebody walking or really what it is. I don't know. Almost sounded like somebody walking outside, but I can't really tell. So yeah, guys, we decided to just play it safe today and get out of the building because it sounded like somebody was walking around, and so just to be safe about everything, I decided to just leave. So we saw what we wanted to see. I didn't want to go into the distribution center. Yeah, look at that dump truck. So this is the warehouse side of it. Look at the size, how big this place is. I mean, it's just a huge place. Property size is just insane. There has to be somebody else here. I'm thinking it's likely somebody else is here with me. There's a lot of fresh footprints all over the place. And so I don't know how recent those are. Could be somebody's footprints.